What makes the Cuisinart Griddler so deluxe? Deluxe is a perfectly timed sear feature, giving you juicy, mouth-watering, tender steak. Deluxe is dual temperature controls, 6 positions for grilling, griddling, and top browning, offering endless versatility. Your pick of pizzas, paninis fresh from the press, savory French toast, pancakes, crispy bacon, tender grilled fish, and juicy burgers. Deluxe is removable, reversible, and dishwasher-safe grill and griddle plates. That's what makes the Cuisinart Griddler so deluxe.
There's nothing better than delicious Johnsonville sausages and brats, and the Johnsonville Sausage Grill just made them even better. Just open it up, load it up, and eat it up. It only takes minutes, and you'll always have a delicious, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside masterpiece. With no prep, no flare-ups, and no mistakes. And if it's mouth-watering, delicious breakfast sausages that you're craving, check out the Johnsonville Sizzling Sausage Grill Plus. Now you can have perfectly cooked sausages, links, or patties in under 8 minutes with the press of a button. The Johnsonville Sizzling Sausage Grill Plus also comes with a fresh dinner sausage plate. Seared to perfection each and every time in just minutes. It's that easy, and cleanup is a breeze. It's sausage for every occasion with the Johnsonville Sizzling Sausage Grill and the Sizzling Sausage Grill Plus.
Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Grill Griddle. Don't let the size fool you. It's a powerhouse that does it all. Do you feel like grilling up some burgers, steaks, or shrimp? You got it. How about a griddle for making pancakes and eggs? Easy. But what about steak and eggs? No problem. The 3-in-1 comes with 2 reversible nonstick plates. Each plate has a side with ridges for grilling, and the other side is flat and smooth for when you need a griddle. There are 2 separate temperature controls, so you can grill meats on one side and cook pancakes and eggs on the other. The grease channel is in the center with a removable tray for easy cleanup. The tray and the 2 grids are dishwasher safe. Now that's good thinking.
In this position, the upper plate rests on the lower plate and automatically adjusts to the thickness of the food on the plate. The food will be cooked evenly on both sides and is ideal for cooking hamburgers, deboned meat and thin meat slices, vegetables, and sandwiches. When you use the contact grill, the food cooks quickly as it is in contact with the plates on both sides at once. The appliance has a special hand grip and hinge design, allowing the upper plate to be adjusted according to the thickness of the food. If you want to cook a number of different food types simultaneously using the contact grill, the various foods should have the same thickness to allow even cooking. For recipe ideas and cooking advice, download the dedicated DeLonghi app.
The George Foreman 5-minute burger grill. It couldn't be any easier. Just plug it in, start the buns, place the drip tray. The grill will let you know when it's ready to start the burgers. The special hinges make sure you won't ruin your patties and that they'll cook evenly. The grill takes care of the rest. The drip tray catches the excess oils and fats. In 5 minutes, your burgers are ready. It's that easy. It works just as well with chicken or fish. Cleanup is just as easy thanks to the non-stick surface and the dishwasher-safe drip tray. The George Foreman 5-minute burger grill. Lose the fat, not the taste.